It's Vkillz.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.
Hi guys, my name is Tibby if you don't know, and I'm going to be doing the voiceover for my mother's YouTube channel. So yes, I hope you all enjoy. Now first my mom is going to be using Nivea cream and just put it all around her face, and she's going to be rubbing it very fastly. Then once she's done that, she is going to use a spray and just spray it all around her face very, very fast. Then she's going to be using the funky choco thingy and just do her eyebrows. And she's going to be doing the funky eyeshadow palette and using that orange color for her eyes.
Then
once my mother's done that, she's going to be using another orange color and just put it on top of that color very, very fast. Now my mom is going to be using the NYX blush for her eyes. I don't know why, she just thought of using it and just put it all around her eyes very fast. And now she's going back into the funky eyeshadow palette and using that orange color again on top of her eyes. Then she's going to be using the Pro Concealer again on top. Then she's going to be using the funky eyeshadow palette again, using a light peach color and putting it on top of the Pro Concealer.
Vkillz.
We're gonna have a good time, you know.
Then she's going to be using a slightly darker peach and putting it on top of the Pro Concealer as well.
Standard.
Now she's going to be using a black shade and putting it right where the corner of her eye is. And putting it a little bit on top of her eye as well.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her.
Now she's going to be using another black color for her eyeliner.
Steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga.
And she's drawing a line.
On the nigga say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar.
Now my mom is going to be putting on some eyelashes. Doing it very carefully. Now my mom is going to be using a cream around her face. Primer, sorry. And putting it all around her face, under her eyes, etc. Now my mom is going to be using Fenty Beauty foundation and just put it all around her face. And she's using a brush to blend.
So girl, put me on, see me put me on. Me na pillow one, say she give me feel one. Say let me the pillow one, say she give me feel one. Mara one, say she give me for me, you say enter the
Okay, once my mother has done that, she is going to be using a sponge and just blending it in more properly. Just making sure no bits are out. Now my mom is going to be using the Pro Concealer again and putting it under her eyes. Her chin and her nose as well. Her forehead as well.
A good time, baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time.
Now she's using a sponge and just blending it into her face.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them are watching. They're pretty up on.
And once my mother has done that, she is going to be using the Buttercup setting powder and using the sponge to blend it into her face. Now my mom is going to be using a powder just around her cheekbones. Then she's going to be using a palette and using a dark brown color, a contour.
Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make ya look back. Move that, way ya move that. Touch that, baby.
Now she's dusting off the powder into her skin. Now my mom is going to be using a black oval powder and just putting it around her cheekbones as well and all around her face. Why is my mother doing that silly thing? Now my mom's going to be spraying her face again. Why is she spraying it again? I'm not even gonna complain. And then she's going to be using a CoverGirl Queen collection and going to using Ebony Bronze. Then she's going to be using a eyeshadow palette and using an orange color and a red color around her cheekbones.
Man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man,
She's spraying her face again. And she's going to be putting the highlight. Yes.
now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
Now she's going to be putting on some dark, bold lipstick. And that's the end of the look, guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to her channel if you have not. Join the family. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Vkillz.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bumbuck like them are watching.